Hey, your web traveler! Today we're opening mysterious surprise box. I don't know why this pack was upside down, maybe it's special. We are gonna just start opening it. Ooh baby, let's go! Free run. Only 3 cards and they're not even thick. I've seen it all at this point. No idea who that is. Let's see the back. Oh, that's kind of cute. I haven't seen something like this before. Is this like damage or is it supposed to be? You'll know in a second. And we got our ultra rare. Alright. Nothing. Well, shit went down. A few cards that I ordered with this box fell off the screen. You're gonna see them in a year or so. So okay, I'm very sad to confirm that this isn't supposed to be there, so that's the damage. But I'm very happy to say I don't care because it's free run and it's the back of the card, so the front of the card is good and I love it. Ooh, we have Bocchi. Sorry. Bocchi de Rocke. What's her name? Hitori, I believe. Very weird boob physics there. But nonetheless, nice to see. And the last one is a hit, ultra rare again. Alright, at least you had to get 1 hit in each pack. I know, fucking Ichino's Chizuru. Okay, guys, if you want to buy this set, I will leave links in the video description. The seller that I personally buy from, he is reliable and even if things go wrong, he always has the solution for me. If you would buy a booster box from him, after that you can message him tcgcomrade and he will add an extra promo pack to your order. So that's also very nice. Oh my god, that's a grown up fern. Fuck, how do I pronounce it? I forgot. It's probably illusion. And what do we have here? What the fuck, man? What am I looking at? By the way, if I don't know if you can tell, but I'm like experimenting right now. It's like night, evening. It's dark outside and I'm recording. By the way, the weird sounds that you hear, it's my cat. Ooh, fancy. But most of the time I record during the day. Alright, another ultra rare. Because of the possibility of the sun. Sun makes cards look very good. But today I felt, you know what? That's, by the way, the guaranteed hit that was on top of this box when I opened it. I thought, you know what? I'm gonna record tonight this time to see how the light is working or not working. God damn. That is an CSR, if I pronounce it correctly. Probably not. It's bent a little. It was not me. I know I bent the card, but it would take way more bending to make it permanent like this. So it is what it is. And we have some cute rectangles and even some information. Qipao, if I pronounce that correctly, is the traditional dress of Chinese women in China and the world. What do you mean and the world? It's either traditional for the world, or traditional for China, right? How can it be both? What do I not get it? English, help me. But nice detail. Actually very cool hit. I hope for not ultra rare, because I've seen ultra rares and I'm not really hyped about them, although they're good. But this looks epic. Alright, what do we have here? Genshin Impact. Awesome. Nice purple colors, man. And ultra rare. But I'm more hyped about SSR at this moment. Oh my god, please. Oh my god, this packaging. Why I'm opening like ass? Why I'm opening them like ass? That's what I said. That's not what I wanted to say, but that's what came out of my mouth. Very cool dress. The consistency is there. Every second card is Genshin Impact for some reason. At least no doubles, right? So that's that I'm happy about. All right. Oh, Mega Man, let's go! And it is even fucking ASMR rarity or so. Look at that. Even the back is like special shiny. Holy shit. I got a hit. Oh no. Just before I said we had no doubles. There's a double. Damn it. Oh no. Oh no. This was really oh no pack. Like what the fuck. Okay, the puzzle piece has, like the normal cards have silver shine outlining. I don't know how to say things, and the puzzle has golden. Man, I hate puzzles. I don't know what to say. I hate puzzles because I never complete them. And the reason I never complete them, because they make it like you need to buy 30 boxes to complete one puzzle. How strong is this freaking shit? Look at that. Oh my god, man. Oh no, now I know who the fuck. We had a star, we had a new rarity. Fuck, I spoiled myself. And you also. You're welcome. I think that's a double. I pretty sure that's also a double. And there's the new rarity star. Alright. At least here, those things... Okay, never mind. It also doesn't make sense. Why eyes? I get it. Why this? That doesn't do anything. Do boobs then instead, right? But here, it looks even more ridiculous. I don't know how to feel about this specific feature, but still the card is kind of cool. What is happening with my autofocus? Oh, it's probably because it's nighttime. So I've found another reason to record at the daytime and not the nighttime. Oh my god, word is a double. Is this Asuna? Yup, it's Asuna. Okay, that's kind of cute though. Now I thought I would like an Asuna card. But here we are. Here we are with more doubles. Man, I very love those cards. And I think the box is pretty good. But the freaking SSR doubles are killing me right now. Why? Ultra rare. Hey, that's Fate. Scathatch? I don't fucking know how to pronounce this, by the way. Can somebody like leave a voice message on YouTube comments? Wait, that's not a thing? Don't worry. In 10 years, that would be a feature. Remember my words. So we all can get a HOYEAH in the comments, please. Not the voice message for now, but it will be there. I don't remember if that's a double. I think it is not a double. I don't remember those boobs because they look weird. This booba is bigger than this booba, but from the camera perspective, it should be other way around. So there's some weird shenanigans going on. And this is also not a double. She has a picture of herself there. That's next level detail. All right. Who is that, by the way? March 7? Okay, what the fuck? What kind of character is that? Oh my god, an ultra rare double. If anything I hate more, that's like the high rarity doubles. Because it was possible for me to get another high rarity card that I don't have, which would be very cool and epic. But I got the double, meaning I got less out of the box, right? The low rarity, I get it. It's fine. But the high rarity, I hate it. But here we have a new card. I very love the angle of this. And we have another double. Let's go, man. Okay, Fern. Yo, a new one. Nice. I think that's Fate. I don't know for sure, but it reminds me of Fate. Yo! Speaking about Fate and the doubles, here's another one. Man, this box is destroying me right now. It started so good. I can't remember if we've seen this, but I think not. That's definitely a new one. Okay, cool. God damn it! It was better if I had like SSR doubles instead of ultra rare doubles. And like, the RNG just hears me. Because now he's gonna give me 2 SSR doubles. Okay, never mind, 1 SSR double. I don't know where to look. Like, my eyes are going there, and then there, and then there again. Like, holy shit. See how long it takes camera to focus on the boobas? Same is happening with me. Can I move him very close? Would it focus? It's not focusing. Sorry, guys. I can switch it to macro. Oh my god! Fuck you! Is it because I don't know how to pronounce your name? Okay, come on. I need at least one more hit that's not a double. Because those two are, and this is also, fuck me. Okay, so there was that. That's the box. I think those cards are pretty cool. Leave a HOYEAH in the comments, please. And I will see you in another one, Web Travelers.